Let's talk about some additional database software that you can use as well. If we take a look here, we can see Win MySQL Admin. You can take a quick Google search to look that up. You can also check out mysql.com for alternative downloads and things like that. This is going to allow us to have a little tray icon and then pop up this little admin screen where we can deal with our environment as far as what we have locally here. You can set up your servers and work with the instances of the different servers. It's very helpful to work with this tool. That's Win MySQL Admin, one of the tools. Then there's the MySQL Administrator, which is available from mysql.com. You can just log in. You can have multiple connections because you might use multiple databases. And then you're going to see a lot of information about the server that's running. You can have multiple services running. You can check out the services in the administrative panel for your Windows machine. I use Windows XP, so I can check that out and see that multiple MySQL instances are running. You can also look in the task manager as well. But this allows you to work with startup variables. You can add users this way instead of relying on PHP myadmin, things like that. You can control the server connections. You can see who's connected. Check out the health of your server as far as the CPU utilization and traffic and things like that, and queries. Check out the logs and backup, restore, and replicate. There's a lot of things you can do with this tool. You want to check it out. Check out mysql.com. Additionally, there's a EMS MySQL Manager. And if we look at the help really quickly, you can see the URL, ems-hightech.com, and you can check out all these different database tools for many different databases that you can use, including MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and a lot more. It gives you the ability to look at your databases here and check out your tables with ease. Just simply double-clicking, you can look at the data, check out the fields, create your own tables, manipulate the data, enter SQL commands, check out the description. You can also create the DDL, which is the SQL syntax that actually creates that table, cut and paste into PHP myadmin or right into a PHP script, for example, and you're on your way. So definitely check this out. This is an inexpensive tool that you can use to really help you manipulate your databases. So these are some of the things that you can use outside of some of the open source PHP myadmin solutions, or you can use these outside of the actual solutions that you might want to create yourself. Even take a look at the form view down there, as opposed to the grid view, and there's a print view. Very powerful indeed. Of course, you could write this all in PHP yourself, but it wouldn't be the same thing because this is an application. But do take note of that and try to use some of the software in your own workflow.